So there's a joke, at least I hope it's a joke, going around on the internet, mainly Facebook groups, sometimes YouTube channels and stuff, that people make these shave videos to get free stuff. And it's 100% Today, I am going for a drive. Good morning. Today's the day going to the store. The razor company, haha. True. I went for a drive, 430 miles each way to go to, you guessed it, the razor company in Michigan. And I got free stuff. Also bought something, no big deal. Also spent a couple hours hanging out there, meeting Jason, meeting Ken from Mostly Vintage Head Shaver, met Angelo, and met his wife Crystal and another person named Jacob. Anywho, I got free stuff. I think it was totally worth it because I haven't even opened some of the free stuff because there's just so much of it. First up, I got this really sweet towel. And if you haven't seen the live for it, I will put a link to it at the end of this video for you to check it out. It was a good time. It was with Angelo, who was sitting right next to me. First time I'd ever shaved with somebody sitting right next to me. And then Justin from the Red Island Shaver. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. But yes, got the Razor Company microfiber towel. This thing is bananas. It feels great. It's heavy, microfibery. It would be perfect for everybody. I also got a few shirts. I don't know if I was supposed to grab all of them. He just handed them to me while I was trying to talk to people live on the cameras, and he said, I think they're your size, take them. So I got a couple shirts. Thank you so much, Jason. And I think the next bit of stuff, which comes in this bag, is like the real reason that we all do these YouTube videos for shaving. It's the free soaps, right? The free soaps. Let's look at it. Cella sample, Cella sample. Hella Cella samples. I used to call it Sela. Thanks for teaching me, guys and ladies. Got a shampoo bar and a face soap. I got the Gothorum Tonstrina sample. Recently picked this up anyways. Ladies Man's sample from Hendrix. So many free samples. This is Gunslinger from Hendrix. Haven't tried this one yet. This is Emperor Oud from Hendrix. And then a Strike Gold Shave. Old Hickory. Andrew Jackson. I didn't realize that he and I had the same nickname in high school. Then there's this in this cool shaped box. I do like cool shaped boxes. And this is chock full of Sapafino Veracino, right? Saponifico Veracino samples. And I'm actually really excited about that. So that's what was in that box. Now with all those free samples, I have to tell you that Jason's a great guy. I even got to see him in person. There's this thing with the Razor Company lives and stuff like that where it's like a big to-do that nobody gets to see what he looks like. And I'll tell you this, it's completely 100% normal looking. Ish. Just kidding. No, he's a perfectly nice guy. It's great having me there. I appreciate it. Jason, the store is beautiful, 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 beautiful. He did show me a razor that I was actually looking at. He got to see Impulse Greg in action because he showed it to me, and I just had to get it because I'd never seen anything like it. Although as a reissue from 2016 from Rocknell, it's their single edge razor, and I can't wait to make a video about this razor. So be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed to find out more about this sweet single edge razor from Rocknell. 100% stainless steel. The live shave will be right here. I hope you know that this was 1000% kind of a joke. I would not drive 800 miles total, or almost 900 miles total to get free shave stuff. I also don't spend hours making videos to get free shave stuff. I do it because it's fun. I do it because I like the community. And I do it because I think my wife is sick of hearing me talk about shave stuff. So somebody's got to hear it. And that's you. Go bye.